Charlotte with Palmetto Outdoor Spaces. I want to tell you a little bit about the hand railings that we offer. We offer Avalon, Fortress, and Regalite. On display today we have the Regalite hand railing and the Fortress hand railing. This is the Fortress AL13 and this is the Fortress FE26 iron. The aluminum and the iron come in different finishes. For example, great. You can get the white, the matte black, and a bronze. With the FE26, you have a black, an antique bronze, and a white. You have options of decorative pickets, different post sizes. Here we have our 2-inch post and the 3-inch post. You have different capping options. You also have different handrail capping options. For example, this is your Overton, or excuse me, that's your mushroom capping. The AL13 Home offers, and the FE26 offers, an over post capping. In this example, we have our 3-inch post, but this capping actually is designed to go over a 2-inch post. So therefore you don't have a proud post. This goes over the top of the rail so that when you're seated looking out upon your view, then you have that nice slim rail without an obtrusive tall post. It's just all seamless like this. You can also choose from a 2-inch post or a 3 or a 3.5. They also offer commercial grade hand railing, which is 42 inches tall versus your 36-inch tall post. So just take a look at our website, take a look at our Instagram page, give us a call if you need upgraded hand railing for your porch. We can also offer the stainless cable guided hand railing as well. Thank you. That was not good.